Okay, what?
Happy birthday
Day 2.
to you.
Alam niyo, hindi ko siya nakausap na matino. Matatapos na tayo, wala ko na ako matino sa akin. I mean, I didn't talk to you seriously. We almost finished this party. No serious answer from you. Hindi, joke. What can you promise your husband naman po?
Going. Wish niya manalo siya sa going.
Benjamin.
Ready?
Dad.
One, two, three, go! Yay!
Sana all. Sana all.
Nadamay ako sa birthday ni Shane. Thank you, Shane.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will be needing 10 contestants. Come on, 10 contestants. One group 5 here, another group 5 here. So 5 winners. Sige po. Anyone? 5 contestants before we do the candle blowing for Miss Shane. 5 contestants. Sige po, pwede po kayo umulit. Lalaki, okay. 1, 2, sige po. 1, 2. Alright. So can we have the 5 gentlemen here and then 5 ladies? Okay po. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Okay, for the ladies, 5 po.
Five, Tita Tawe, si May, Ate Cherry,
Tita Auntie Juby. Auntie Juby.
Juby,
Hindi kayo nagtatayo, ha?
one more,
Yan o, yan si ate. Nagkulot sa ate. Sina?
si Lorbe,
Si Lorbel. Go!
Okay, can I have the ladies here? Okay, let's face Miss Shane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the gentleman here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sige po, ayan. Can we have those gentlemen? Alright, sige po mga sir. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Okay. Wala kang takas, 5 lang kayo. Okay, Baba Bo team, say happy birthday, Shane!
Ay,
Happy birthday, Shane!
Okay, Vice Ganda team, say happy birthday, Shane!
Happy birthday, Shane!
So, your team versus your team, we will going to play minimum to maximum game. Okay po? I have some question here. For example, minimum to maximum, arrange yourself based on your age. You will ask each other age. You will arrange yourself from youngest to oldest. Okay? Youngest to oldest. Once you're done
I gets ko yan. I gets ko yan.
Sample only. Once you're done arranging yourself, you will shout, Happy Birthday, Shane. Okay? Sample only, sample only.
Dito na ako taga-video.
Once you're done arranging yourselves, you will shout Happy Birthday, Shane. Okay? The first thing to arrange yourselves and shout Happy Birthday, Shane will be our winner. It doesn't matter if you arrange yourself first, but they shout first, it's their point. Okay? That's the key. You need to shout. Okay, ready? Team Baba Bumagin, say Happy Birthday, Shane!
Happy birthday, Shane!
Where's the team?
Happy Shane!
Alright, first question. Okay, look there. Minimum to maximum. Arrange yourself based on your
Minimum.
years in UAE. How many years are you here? US to oldest. US to oldest. Come on. Arrange yourself. Say happy birthday, Shane. Once you're done. Say happy birthday, Shane. Once you're done. How many years? 2. 8 December. Birth month, birth month, birth month, birth month, birth month.
Dali!
Vice ganda team.
Ah, talo na.
Birthday. Birthday? February.
Oh, it's wrong.
September. November. November. December. Minimum, maximum. Arrange your service of yours. Shoe size, shoe size, shoe size,